Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. Your VisionJet pilot is on the go again today to tell you about something really exciting in this short video. There's an event happening in the next few days you'll definitely want to attend if you can. It's called Cirrus and Coffee. It's being hosted by Cirrus Aircraft and Gun Aviation at the Hammond Northshore Regional Airport in Hammond, Louisiana. The airport identifier is HDC, and the event is taking place between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. I look forward to seeing you there. I'll be flying down from Nashville in my VisionJet, but even better than that, Cirrus is bringing down several aircrafts, including a new Generation 3 VisionJet. It's their latest generation of the VisionJet, and you'll be one of the first people to see that in person. So you'll definitely want to attend Cirrus and Coffee on April 4th. Whether you decide to fly in, drive in, or walk in, this event is hosted by Gun Aviation for the general public, so everybody's welcome. You'll be able to check out new aircrafts on the ramp, as well as other things to see, and even have great conversations with aviators and other people in the industry. Gun Aviation is located at 405 Industrial Park Road in Hammond, Louisiana. If you're a pilot flying into the event, be sure to go on flightbridge.com and make a reservation. For those of you that don't know, Gun Aviation is one of the finest facilities in the southern region and have the best staff and amenities in all of general aviation. You'll definitely want to check out Gun Aviation. New ownership over the past few years have done some amazing things to the facilities and the airport environment in general. So you definitely want to check out what they've done and what they've achieved in the past few years, and you'll meet some of the best people in all of general aviation. Again, the event is intended for the general public as well as aviators. So if you watch this video and you want to attend, be sure to show up to Cirrus and Coffee on April 4th, 2026 between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. Again, I'll be there, but you'll also be able to meet fellow aviators and have some great conversations. You'll experience some of the best in Southern hospitality as well. After reviewing plain WX, it looks like the weather for the weekend is going to be really nice, with temperatures around 75 degrees during the event. So it's perfect for an event outdoors, and I think you'll really enjoy attending. Whether you're a pilot, just enjoy aviation, or just love Southern hospitality, you'll definitely want to check out Cirrus and Coffee on April 4th. I'm really looking forward to this event and look forward to meeting everybody. Cirrus and Coffee, April 4th, 2026, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Hope to see you there.